When you buy our coffee, we want you to make it so that it tastes amazing. And with a few tips, you can make coffee that's basically as good as you'll get at any cafe you go to. If you want to make true cafe style coffee on your machine, exactly like you'll get in a cafe, you need to use the double basket. We've set a recipe here of 16 grams of coffee into the basket. You need to set your grind so that 16 grams pours in about 25 to 30 seconds. And the volume it pours, we've set it to 32 grams, which is about 32 mils. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So you need to pop your portafilter into the machine, activate the grinder, and grind your 16 grams of coffee. From there, you will tamp your 16 grams of coffee firmly, not too firm, and lock it into the group head. You'll press the button, and that will create your basis for your flat white, your cappuccino, or just an espresso if that's what you'd like to have. Once you've got your espresso, the next vitally important part is milk frothing. And milk frothing is one of the hardest things for people to master. It takes a bit of practice. You can imagine that your barista in your local cafe is making hundreds of coffee every day. They've got it down pat. It's going to take you a little bit of time, but it's worth investing that time because you will get that barista quality coffee that you're looking for. With the Breville machine, you turn on the steam wand and you wait until it's charged itself up, and then it will start to give you a good head of steam. So fill the jug up just below the spout. As we start with texturing the milk, we want to lower the steam tip just below the surface of the milk and get the milk turning in a clockwise direction to create a whirlpool. Once you feel the milk warm in your hand, getting up to blood temperature, then you can submerge the steam wand slightly further into the milk so that you're not breaking the surface anymore and you're just texturing the milk to create that beautiful microfoam. The ideal temperature you want to get is about 55 degrees, 55 to 60, and you can pull the milk out when it's done. And that's going to be able to create a beautifully smooth, textured coffee. If you're up to it, you'll be able to use it to create latte art, and it's going to make for an overall fantastic coffee experience.